It's a myth that coaches look for people with problems. That story is old. Let's solve it. Coaches don't chase pain or broken days. They work with people who want better ways. Not save me, fix me, pull me through, but I'm doing well. What's my next breakthrough? Coaching is not repair or emotional glue. It's about becoming more of you. The best don't wait to fall apart. They sharpen the mind, they train the heart. So if you're good but aiming high, if comfort bores you and growth is your why, you're not a problem. You're prepared, you're potential, polished, and already rare. And that is exactly who coaches care for.